So, Sir Pepito,
Yeah.
yes, what's your fondest memory po of Miss Gloria Romero?
Oh boy. Those days in Sampaguita. So it was my sister. When I first made my first film there. She was there. And the Cinti brothers, Tito Galia and Gilbert were good friends of mine. And then Tita Glo was there also. Marites was still very small.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, what was your first impression of her?
Oh, she's a very kind, loving, and down-to-earth person. She was a superstar, but she never showed me.
Was there anything you wish you could have told her but you weren't able to tell her?
No, I always text Marites, and then after that, I always tell her, "Tell your mama I love her. Don't forget it, and she's my big sister, so don't forget that. Just tell her that to take care of herself and all those things."
Last question na po, when you think of a word or an adjective, ano yung naisip nyo kapag narinig nyo yung name na Gloria Romero?
Well, gorgeous, beautiful.
Thank you, sir.